my channel. So today I am going to be sharing a whole house clean with me. I haven't done an actual cleaning video in a little while. We've been really busy selling our house, so our house still isn't sold yet, unfortunately. So we are actually taking it off the market for a couple days, and then we're going to be putting it back up at a different price and seeing if that helps. I hope so. So I'm going to be cleaning up the house again. Like as I said in the last cleaning video, the house doesn't get super messy right now because we have to keep it pretty clean in case people want to look at it. But there is some things to actually tidy up this weekend because like I said, we're taking it down for a few days, so we didn't have to keep it like pristine. So I'm going to take you guys around the whole house again, clean it up, and get it ready because I think it's going to be going back up like Monday or Tuesday or something. I don't know. It's really stressful. I've never sold a house before. I've only bought a house, so I've never really gone through this. So it's been kind of a lot to deal with. But yeah, so I don't really have even an update to get to really film an update for you guys. So I guess that's the update on the house selling. Hopefully I'll have better news for you guys in the next few weeks, I hope. So if you guys want to see my cleaning video today, keep on watching, and yeah.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Come along with me, come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us go tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us go tonight.
I'm watching Hillary Alex's live on Instagram. Hello Hillary, if you're watching, we're going to pause you for a second. So at this point, this video has been an absolute disaster. My other camera died, so I'm using a different camera right now. I totally forgot to film like cleaning my toilet, and I totally missed a room too. So I'm just not having a great day. So this cleaning video is becoming like a hodgepodge of things, so whatever. So this morning we went to IKEA and picked up this table for Colton, so I'm going to build that in this video because why not? This video is weird anyway, so I might as well build a piece of furniture in it. So if you want to watch me build this kids table from IKEA, then keep on watching.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star, try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, ain't got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, ain't got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Okay, I'm almost done, but my camera turned off yet again, so I thought I would just kind of talk to you guys a little bit because my phone just died too, so I'm like not having the best time right now. So I thought I would just kind of talk to you guys about selling the house and whatnot in case you guys had questions. But I would love for you guys to leave like actual questions down below. If you want me to make like a video about like selling a house and like how to sell a house or how to buy a house or whatever. I'm not really an expert obviously, but I'd be more than happy to like give my tips and like how we did it and how we chose our realtor or real estate agent or whatever. I'd be more than happy to like give our I guess side of like how it all worked and stuff. So the house we live in now, we've had for like 6 years. I think September was 6 years. And then I've kind of wanted to move for a few years now, but Kenny wasn't really ready to move He thought that the house was okay for us. But recently we've decided that we want something a little different, because as you guys know, we had to turn the dining room into a toy room. And honestly, it's like kind of dumb, because now that Colton is like kind of old enough to sit and have dinner with us and stuff, like it kind of sucked not having like an actual table to sit at. Like we would like sit in the living room and he would like sit in his high chair like at the like edge of the living room. Like it was kind of like shitty. So we've decided that we would rather have like either a house that has like a living room that's big enough to have a toy room, or like a room off the living room that can be a toy room, or a basement, so that the whole basement can be like a rec room, toy room type deal, something like that. So we've been looking around for something like that. We've seen one house that we really liked, that we liked a lot of the parts of it, but it didn't have a few things that we needed. We really need a garage, whether it's attached or detached, we don't really care. We need the finished basement. We would really like 3 bedrooms again. We don't really have plans to have any other kids, but I just like the size of a 3-bedroom home, and it's a little easier to sell than a 2-bedroom home. What else? I'd really like 2 bathrooms. I don't know, there's like a few other things that we would like, but, yeah, so we've been looking around, and we had a price in mind that we wanted to pay for a house, and we had a price in mind that we wanted to sell our house for. And as of like right now, I just don't think that that's going to work out. Like I don't think that the sort of perfect scenario of us getting this much for a house and paying this much for a house is really going to work out. So, like I said, we're switching the price of our house. We're dropping it by $20,000. Hopefully that works. If not, we're gonna have to do some more renovations. So you guys have seen our kitchen. It's like not that cute, and we have a feeling that that is the reason why people aren't really that into our house, I think. So we are going to try for like another month to see if we can sell the house, and if not, we've already like discussed this with our real estate agent. We're going to take the house down, renovate the kitchen, fix a few other little things, and then try again in the spring. I think she said like March or something is like a really good time for houses to sell or something. So that's kind of the plan right now. So I'm hoping that, you know, someone comes in and they see it and they see the potential and they want to pay the $380 and it's just over and done with, and you don't have to do any more work on this house. But that's kind of the perfect scenario. We haven't actually found a house that we really like yet, so that's the second part of the equation too. So we need to get an offer on our house, and then we have to find a house that we want to move to. So we've seen things that we like, or they're out of the price range, or they're not in the exact area that we want to live in. So that's been like kind of a struggle to like find what we're looking for, and sell our house at the same time. Like it's a little much. So I kind of don't really want to like go through this again, you know what I mean, like anytime super soon. So I'd like to find something that we both like and is what we're looking for, so that we don't have to do this again in another 5-10 years or whatever. So I don't know, it's kind of the update. That's really all I have. And then it all still depends on, you know, the bank, and if they're willing to give you a mortgage. Like we have a mortgage obviously on this house, but the houses, like the prices of houses have gone up like exponentially since we bought this house. It's actually outrageous how more expensive houses are than when we bought this. Like this house is selling for, we're selling this house for more than double what we paid for it, which is crazy. And that's like the going rate around where we live. So I don't know, it's just nuts how much houses cost right now. So I don't know, so that's kind of the update of where we're at with selling the house. I hope that it works out in our favor, but I don't know. So like I said, if you guys have like actual questions about how buying and selling houses work and whatnot, I would be more than happy to answer questions for you guys and do a sit-down video about that. And I can even ask my real estate agent for like more technical answers for things, because she's like really cool. So I would be more than happy to do that in a video for you guys. I'm sure that'd be really helpful for some people, for first-time home buyers and whatnot. So yeah, so I've done the table. That was actually really easy. I would like 100% recommend this. This is the, what's this called? The lat table from IKEA. It's just that little kids one that like everybody has. It was like 20 bucks, no, 30 bucks or something. I don't know. But yeah, we really wanted to get one of these for Colton. We were gonna wait till we moved, but like I said, we don't really know how it's gonna work, and I don't really want to wait any longer, so we went and picked it up today. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this like absolute hot mess of a video. Please let me know down below if there's anything more that you guys want to see, any kind of cleaning videos, and kind of, I don't know, anything really, anything mom related, lifestyle related, baby related, cleaning related, whatever kind of things you guys want to see, let me know down below, and I'd be happy to try and get that out for you guys. Yeah, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, yeah, yeah.